If the patient's separator comes out at home, some parents like to have extra separators to replace them on their own. You would take 2 pieces of floss like this and thread them through the little separator. Once you get them pulled to the middle, then you separate them like so. And you're going to stretch out the separator and floss it back in between the teeth. You do have to apply quite a bit of pressure, but once you get the separator in, then you're going to very gently take the floss out of the mouth. If I can get it like this. Trying not to pull the separator back out with you.